Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Google Chrome web browser on Asus ROG Xbox Ally X device. First, open the taskbar on your device and open the Microsoft Edge web browser and then start searching for Google Chrome. Press enter. Find the official google.com website that says download Google Chrome. Once you open the official Google Chrome website, tap download Chrome in the middle of the screen and then tap on the installation file, tap yes, then you can close your current browser and then just wait until the browser is downloaded and installed. Next, you can choose to either sign into your account or not, don't sign in by tapping right here. Then if you want to, you can set your Google Chrome browser as your default one by tapping the respective option right here. Otherwise, just skip and then swipe down. You can either turn on the Edge privacy feature by tapping turn it on or just click no thanks. Swipe down, tap get it, and now you're free to use your brand new Google Chrome web browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.